What's up, guys? Good morning. Happy Friday. Let's get them. Am I live? I think I'm live. We got a lot of news today, guys. Give me a like. I don't know if anybody's here yet, but yeah, we got a lot of turmoil in the markets. Let me go check it out. Let me go to Forex Factory, guys. Go to Forex Factory if you want to see what kind of news is coming up. Anytime you see a red envelope, you don't really want to be trading when there's a red envelope. We got one at 10 PMI at 8:30. We had a couple, and you've seen the market react like crazy. So we're gonna wait till after 10, like 10:02, to actually take a trade. Because you don't want to be stuck in a trade and all of a sudden the news comes out and it goes, 75 pips the wrong direction, takes you out and all that. I don't trade the news generally unless I'm, like stuck in a trade that I've been stuck in or something like that. I don't trade the news on purpose, man, that's for sure. Let me just go and mark up some stuff while we're waiting. That's the 8:30 news, right? Yeah. How many pips is that? Just out of curiosity. So that candle moved 180 pips on that news from this morning, man. That's a lot, man. Let me just see something here. Let me just mark this candle. I'm gonna mark this one. Wow, that news really moved oil. A lot of times oil isn't affected by the news as much. Oil kind of does its own thing usually. What happened to my things here, man? Where's Naz? Oh, I got dragged down here for some reason. All right, things got mixed up here a little bit, man. Let me fix this. This goes here. That goes there. That goes there. All right. I don't know how that happened, but let me clear this. Right, allergies are killing me down here, man. Let me just put one here too. Okay, that's nice. Let's just do gold. Oh, we got a little time, guys. So get your coffee. Do what you got to do. News is in 19 minutes. The earliest usually I'll take a trade is like 10 to 10, unless I see something sweet, man. I got to get in, you know. But 10 to 10 is usually when I start looking for a trade, you know. And lately, Nas has been my favorite, my go-to thing. I kind of like trading Nas a lot. But if I see a good setup, man, I'll trade anything. I have people messaging me, "Oh, look at this, look at that." I'll look at it, man. If it looks good, I'll trade it. I don't care. I'm not biased really that much, you know, but I focus on my own pairs. But I have people I trust that send me messages, "Yo, check out, you know, Pound Cat," or whatever it is. I never used to trade oil, man, and I started trading oil, and oil is, I like trading oil, man. It moves kinda, in a predictable way, you know? It moves like everything else, but kinda like more even more steady, like, you know? And oil pays too, man. That's what I like about it. Alright, let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. I had to make a pot of coffee, so I'll have to get back to that. Gold is like slingshotting up and down. Oh boy, boy. What do you think's going to happen with the news? Let's see. ISM services PMI. Actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. Okay. Oh, that was a 945. Oh, that was a yellow. The red one is ISM services PMI. Actual greater than forecast good for the currency. All right, let's check H bar. Damn, how the heck's get all the way up there, man? I don't know how my things got all screwed up. I should take some of these off here, man. I never even looked at them. UK, German 30. I traded German 30 a few times, but I'm not crazy about it. I'm like, you know what happens with that? They close the market. Like, I don't know if it's like 3 in the afternoon now. One day I was trading, all of a sudden it's not doing anything. They closed the market. And it didn't open for like 2 hours. Then it opened with a big gap. I was like, "Nah, I ain't trading this, man. Gotta be careful with that, you know." Oh, it's 0.053. It looks like it's down a tiny bit. Anybody trade stocks? I never really traded stocks, man. I'm thinking about checking it out, but I kinda like what I'm doing, so something works, you stick with it, right? Alright, guys, 10 minutes. Wow, Nasdaq is flying up, man. I don't know what the news is going to do. That's why I don't know if it's going to be good or bad news, you know? So we just got to chill. Wait for 2 minutes, let it settle down and see if it gives us an opportunity. Guys, give me a like if you can on the video. Appreciate it. You know, I'm gonna get better at streaming. I'm getting my laptop back. I'll probably have it back by Monday. Maybe I'll start going live on the camera. Best day for me to do that would have been Halloween. Oh, I'm kidding, man. Fucking king over here. I have a million lady traders in here in no time. Once I start using the camera, man. Where you guys from, man? I grew up in the Bronx, in New York. Now I'm down in Florida. I don't know how these guys get the chat. See, I don't really know how to stream, guys. I'm new to this. I can't see the chat while I'm on the chart. I have to go back to the streaming software. Then I'm on the streaming software. I actually have to go to YouTube, to see the chat. And I can't do anything, like I can't see the chat while I'm actually looking at the chart. So I mean, that's a way to do that. I just don't know how to do it. How these guys interact and get it on the screen, the chat, figure that out. So if anyone knows how to do this, man, they can spend 20 minutes with me, help me set this up right. I'd appreciate it. But if not, I'll figure it out. I looked at a couple of YouTube videos, man. I don't know what these guys are talking about. I gotta be honest. I tried to set it up. Doesn't work for me, like the way they have it. I just don't understand it. I know they're right, but I just don't understand what they're talking about, I guess. I'm kind of a caveman with all this stuff. I gotta be honest. Man, oil's going up, man. 4 minutes till the news. My eyes are itchy and everything. I had 3 minutes till the news, guys. It's like everything's consolidated now, waiting to see which way to go. Except Maz. Maz is out of here, man. How many of you guys think this is manipulated, the news? Sometimes I wonder if they bring it up ahead of time because they know it's gonna drop or, you know? We'll see what happens, man. Like, see the way this has been coming. Then when it drops, it only comes down to where they want it, not further. I don't know, man. It's all priced in. It came all the way down, but it didn't take the low. It didn't even take this one. Let me mark that one. Man, I was doing like big swings, right? Up, down, up, down. Oh, that's gold. Sorry. Oil too, though. One more minute. And they're off. There goes the news. Hey, did you guys any of you guys stay in that oil trade yesterday? Man, that thing went all the way up, man. I got out like 5 pips above, above the final target. I closed right there. If you held, man, you got a lot extra out of that. I didn't measure it in pips, I didn't, but I know it went up a lot further. That was a big nothing burger, that news, man. Right? I mean, it didn't do anything. Today's Friday too, so it's gonna be a little slower than usual. Let's see if we can grab something. This is dead here, man. Sounds like my coffee's ready. Grab that in a minute. All right, so the number was lower than forecast. Let me just check. Yeah, real quick. Now it's just coming down. We got to break a structure. Let's pull back. It might be good for a sell. I want to get into a trade. If we're gonna take a trade, I want to do it. You know, I want to do it before 11, obviously, but the earlier the better because it's Friday and the volume dies down, man. I will need it to come back at least to here, man, to this gap. That's what I want to see, and I'll take a sell on NAS. Oil's a little choppy, man. I mean, with oil, I would probably just buy it on to break it as high. Even here, it's all chop. If it breaks this high, I could see it coming to this gap for TP1. You guys know I usually tend to lean towards buys for some reason. I like to buy more than sell. I don't know why. It's just a habit. All right, let's see if Nas pulls back. Maybe we'll get into a sell here. Getting ready on my phone. A little more. I want it to come at least right here, right to the tip of that box. Oh, that looks a lot better than US 30, man. US 30 is very. Even oil looks choppy. Man, when you get in a trade on oil and it wants to go your way, man, it'll knock out 50 pips like that, man. Just starts marching like a soldier, man. Love trading. Yeah, gold is not really good enough either. All right, let's see if we can get this NAS trade. I think it's going to drop, guys. What do you guys think, man? You guys think it's going to drop or what? Let me just see what it does. I want it to come up at least close to here, man. You know, further the better. Let me see what it's going to look like. There's TP1, 115. That's the trade right there. Come on, pull back, Naz. I know you want to go down, but I want you to pull back a little. Even if it comes up here, I'll probably take it. All right, guys, I'm probably going to go half lot size today because it's Friday and this thing's moving like junk. That means half of what if it pulls up. I'm not going to take it if it just starts dropping now. Has to do what I want it to do. Yeah, there's no volume. I like oil. Oil took out this low. If it'll come up here and then come back to here, it's a buy. Opinion. Gold, I ain't messing with gold. Looks like crap. I think gold's gonna go up though. Well, I may come down and take these lows. Nah, here comes Nasdaq. You guys ready? Get ready. I'm gonna sell it. Let's just see what this candle does. I'm gonna take it now, guys. I'm in a sell on Nas. Right around there. Let me mark it up. I'm gonna put TP1 right here. That's a nice I hate when it does that. Yeah. There. That's TP1. TP1. Where's TP2? We can make this 2, man. Because it's a big area here. I'm gonna make that 2. I know it's close to TP1, but it's gotta be considered. TP2, I'll put a final one. I'm gonna right at the bottom of this green box. Look right there. That's TP3. We're closing full. That's the end of the trade for me. All right, let's see what happens, guys. It did end come. It did end up coming back to the to the fair value gap. So we did jump in a little early. I'm got a little anxious on that, I guess. But that's all right. Let's see what happens. A few pips. Friday, guys. I want to get a trade and get out of here. And you guys go fishing or I'm in a nice community down here, man. We got a nice pool, bunch of people hanging out over there, having fun. I like to get over there and spend a few hours. I'm single, so I get bored of the house. I do have two of my sons living with me. They have disabilities, so they're older. I have 5 kids. I have two that still live with me with disabilities. They're actually adopted. And we like to get out of the house, man. Mm. What do you guys think it's gonna do, man? Up or down? All right, we're in profit, man. Okay, what I'm worried about first is breaking this low. I feel good once we break this low, and then we got this order block here. So fair value gap. I'd like to see that get broken. At least break this low too. If the first one's broken, I think if we can get past this area right here, we're gonna come. We might come right down. But let's see. prefer to watch on a 1 minute, man. I don't know. Let me tighten it up a little bit. See how that looks. That's better. Come on, baby, let's go. Trying to inspire the candle, man, to go our way, you know? I'm gonna get a cup of coffee. Let's see if we can take out this low here. We're in profit, guys, so manage your funds the way you see accordingly, There's no shame in taking some profit at any point, man. You never go broke taking profit. Ah, that's a nice little push down. See if we can push through this FVG. Very nice. The player. Oops. Come on, baby. Get it done. Come on, Rock. You can do it. That's enough of that. All right, we are up about approximately 43 pips. The whole trade is about 138 pips. Figure safely where depending on where you got in, 125 pips. Not a bad trade if it does what we want. I will be closing more than half if it gets to TP1. Okay, I'll be closing like 75% today. It's Friday. And my stops will be like 2 pips in profit. So let's see what it does. Expect a little pullback. It's got to make a wick. At this point, guys, where I'm up this much, I'm not going to let it go back into drawdown. It's just kind of silly to do that. If before I do that, I close it like a few pips in profit. That's just me, man. and I'll wait for a re-entry or take it the other way. I'm not gonna lose this trade now. That's the way I operate, man. I protect my capital, man, you know? I think it's gonna come down. I'm holding right now, so let's see what happens. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Ooh, US 30 is all the way down, man. I like it. Like it. Oil, oil's taking out the low. Took it out. I actually like oil for a buy here too, guys. But it still has to come up and break structure and then come back down. So let's see what it does. We'll keep an eye on it. Nas is pulling back. Get down there, you son of a gun. I really think this is just a pullback. Come on, Nas, let's go. There we go. Oil. Put an alert on this. Come on, Nas, let's go, baby. You know what? Maybe this is a better place for TP1 because there's like a big support area here, you know? Let's see what it does. I'm gonna, well, let's see. I don't want to jump the gun here, but it's all about making money, right? It's not about pips. It's about securing the bag. I'm not here to brag about how many pips I got. I'm here to make some money with my family. I'm gonna take profit right here, guys, if it comes back down. You can take profit right now, man. Don't listen to me, you know? I'm just telling you what I'm doing. There's nothing wrong with closing now, man, you know? There's nothing wrong with making money. Take a little something. How many pips is this? Let me see. I mean, it's approximately it's 40 something pips, man, you know? That's a good trade, man. 40 something pips. Like I said yesterday with 20, man. If you can get 20 pips a day, every day, man, you're buying a Lambo, man, no time. You could do that consistent. So 40 pips, man. That's solid. Gonna find out. Hey, what's up, Joshy? Ah, come on, Naz. God damn it. like the way this looks, guys. Tell you the truth, I'm thinking about closing. I made coffee already, Josh. Damn, I'm gonna try to watch two things now. I'm getting ready to buy oil. Let me go check out oil real quick. There's a gap right here. That's a small stop loss. Put it like right there. Let me just check. Nas is coming back down. I'd like to see Nas break this fair value gap right here. All right, I'm gonna wait for oil. All right, guys, I'm gonna take oil for a buy, guys. That's my trade on oil. It came right back to the top of my fair value gap. See it right there? So let's see what happens. Get back to Nas for now. See what's going on there. My Nas is coming down. That's 28 pips. About, guys. Don't hold me to the fire here over a couple of pips, but right there is about 36 pips. You could tell it's Friday. I'm anxious to just take some money out of this and get my stops to break even, tell you the truth. But I'm gonna let it go a little more. I tell you the truth, guys, if this doesn't push down, I'm gonna close and take some profit. Let's see what happens. I don't see any volume here really pushing this thing down now, but, I'm looking to get out to take some money out of this and protect my capital. It's not about ego or anything like that, man. It's about making money. I'm not ashamed to, take 20 pips and dip, you know what I'm saying? Alright, guys, I'm gonna close half right now. Okay, I just closed half, and I'm gonna put this at oops. I'll put my stop to break even. It is risk free. If it stops me out, I don't care. Okay, it's Friday. I'm taking a win. I'm taking give me a W in the chat, man. You pretty much gonna take a win, man. Do what you want. I'm taking a win. Boom. I'm not saying it ain't gonna go down. I'm still in the trade. I still left a runner. I still have half on. So if it does get to here, I'll take another 25% off. And then that's it, man. Time to go fishing. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay, we're making a little money with oil. Naz is getting ready to stop me out. Get back down there, you son of a gun. I'm stopped out, guys. I'm stopped out at 2 pips in profit. Plus, let me see. I made about 9 pips. I made 11 pips on that trade, guys. About 11 pips. All right, give or take. Let's scoot over to oil. Oil's messing around. See what I'm gonna do with oil now. Got a little more time now. This I'm gonna put my TP1 right here. Oops, pressed the wrong thing. All right, that's the trade. I'm just gonna take profit here real quick. Nice and safe. All right, at least 50%. Move my stops to break even and see what let it ride. If it gives us whatever more it gives us, I'll be closing this trade probably by 1 o'clock. If it doesn't hit my stop loss by then, I'm gonna close around 1 o'clock. I'm like staying in the trade too long on Friday. That's the way it is. I don't like to hold it over the weekend. Anything can happen over the weekend. and, if I can. I mean, sometimes I do hold the trade over the weekend if I'm stuck in drawdown. I just, not too worried about it. I wanna see what it's gonna do. You know, it's not like exact science, but generally, if I'm in pocket, closing the trade. Yeah, that's at least 20 pips today, so that ain't bad. It's 23, call it 20. The whole trade's 100 pips. Oh, stop that. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here, man. What was that, news or something? There ain't nothing now, I know that. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. See, member boss speaks. It's at 3 o'clock, 3:30. All right, guys, it is what it is, man. Have a great weekend, guys, and get out and enjoy the day. And I'll see you guys Monday, I guess. Yeah, so have a great day, guys, on purpose. Stay blessed, and I'll see you later.